So making chicken soup in the Ninja Soup Maker is really easy to prepare and the end result is really tasty. It's one of the recipes from one of my soup maker recipe books. If you're interested in getting a copy, I've added links to them in the description down below. So on to making the soup. First up, I added a quartered onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Then I popped the lid on and pressed the chop function. Then once that was finished, I removed the lid and added in some chopped potatoes. You don't need to peel the skin, as the Ninja can cope with blending them to a really smooth consistency. Then I added the boneless chicken thighs. You can add them raw to the Ninja, or you could use cooked chicken to use up some leftovers. Then I like to add a teaspoon of ground black pepper, followed by a chicken stock pot straight into the soup maker jug. And then I add hot water up to the line. You can use cold water or your own made up vegetable stock. Then put the lid back on and set the soup maker off on smooth and it will run for 30 minutes. Then once it's finished its cycle, the chicken soup is ready to serve. You can give it a little taste test and season some more if you want to, but I find that it's perfect just the way it is with these ingredients. The soup is really smooth and it's really tasty. If you want some more soup recipes for your Ninja Soup Maker, head over to Liana's Kitchen where there's plenty more. Thanks for watching. Bye.